using the Subaru EyeSight technology. Yeah, so mine is an auto drive, so I don't need to press the gas pedal or the brakes. So the car is auto driving right now, so I just need to guide the steering wheel. So at this time I set this up at 66 miles per hour. Get this. So it's 66 miles, 67. And so there's a safe distance between this car and the car in front. So once the car in front slows down, then this car will auto slow down as well. So yeah, so there's a warning, keep hands on the steering wheel. Okay. Nice. It works. It's auto driving right now.
If you need to change lane.
Hindi want to change lane. You can't change lane. So
Yeah, you have to answer it. If you need to change lane, what will you do?
you need to do it manually.
Okay.
So this camera is looking for the lines on the pavement. That's the guide. So it keeps me centered on the lane.
So it works.
Once the car in front slows down, then this car will slow down as well. So now it's accelerating on its own without any intervention. This technology works.
So the auto drive
So look at this.
doesn't work for change lane.
Look at the brake. It's slowing down.
Where's the brake?
Yeah, I'm not braking. Oops, warning again. I like this technology. This is what we paid for when we got this car. LOL. Oh look, i-slow down talaga. Galing.
Tell me if I'm gonna have this. Huh?
How many minutes? I think it should be good.
Oh, you didn't like it. Bye.
I'll focus na.